Bye.
Y'all, so Mel be trying to close out the video when it begins. Let's let her do her thing. Hold on.
I know.
Uh-huh. You want to do it? Cool. Okay. What's up, y'all? Welcome to today's video. It is a brand new week. That's blue. That's blue. Blue. It is the last Monday of 2021, you guys. So y'all already know what that means. We need to get to cleaning. The house needs to be clean before the new year. So babe has already cleaned all of downstairs pretty much for the most part. So since I'm off this week, a lot of my week, that's right, Mel, is going to be spent cleaning, organizing, prepping for the new year, guys. Welcome to the channel if you are new here. Welcome back if you are a returning subscriber, guys. My name, y'all heard Mel, she just told y'all to subscribe. But hold on.
I know.
Anyways, welcome back to the channel if you are a returning subscriber. My name is Ashley, and of course this is Cool, Calm, and Crawford, y'all, where we're helping everyone to stay cool, calm, and you insert the word all across the world. Okay, y'all? Okay. So, I need to do Mel's hair at some point today because I don't want my baby... Yeah, see her. I don't want my baby walking around looking crazy. But for right now, the very first thing that I am going to do is to fold my basket of laundry. So, y'all come on with me so we can get cleaning, okay?
Bye.
So I have pretty much folded up all of my clothes. I still have these 3 baskets of clothes to go. Then I'm going to start from this corner, all on the dresser and all over to clean up this entire room. Then after that, I have to go in Mel's room and clean out her closet. So I'm gonna pull out all of the old clothes that she can no longer fit and then replace them with all the new clothes that we purchased her so far. I don't know, y'all. I was thinking this was gonna be like a one-day vlog, but this might be like a multi-day vlog because there is, I'm not gonna say so much to clean up because babe has already cleaned up the entire downstairs. So the only thing really left to do is organize upstairs, do the 2 bathrooms, and then there's 4 bedrooms up here, pretty much. And one of them's just a guest bedroom. So the only thing in there that needs to be done is the bed made, all that fun stuff. But y'all stick with me as I'm working my way around the house. So my friends, for the most part, I got all of the laundry folded and some of it put away. And then as you saw, I had started cleaning up our room because I want to get a lot of Mel's toys out of our room and placed into her room, because for her second birthday, we're basically gonna turn her room into like a big girl room. So we're gonna get her a big girl bed, you know, put most of the toys in her room. We're gonna purchase another TV, because we had purchased her a TV, but she wasn't really in her room watching it. So then we put that TV in the garage for us to watch when we work out. And so I'm gonna make sure, yeah, we purchased her another TV for her birthday. And now I'm sitting in our guest bedroom and I see pretty much she'll need to purchase another TV for this room so this one can be updated. But yeah, we're gonna flip her whole room. But now I'm just in the extra bedroom, and now I'm about to remake this bed, because we did come laying here last night because our bed was kind of uncomfortable and my back was starting to hurt. So that just means we're gonna need us a new mattress. But the one in here is practically brand new because nobody sleeps in this room. So I'm about to transform the guest bedroom from looking like this to this, you guys. Doesn't this look so much better? Neat, made up, clean, just how I like it. Now, gonna wait on Babe so he can come up here and start. Well, he said he'll take care of the bathrooms. That's cool. So what I am going to do is I'm gonna start pulling all of Mel's clothes, her old clothes from her bedroom, out of the closet so that we can start replacing them with all of her new clothes. And we're already to the point too where she's kind of growing out of Tutti, and she's not even 2 yet. But guys, if you can relate, please put in the comments down below like how often you had to buy your kids clothes. Like with my husband being 6'3", it's like causing, I guess Mel took his gene and she is just rapidly growing. It's like we cannot keep clothes in her size. And then too, I don't know if any other parents have experienced this, but we buy a lot of her clothes from Carter's. And Carter's, it's like when you wash them the first time, they instantly shrink. And I know Mel is not growing at that fast of a pace, but it's like every time we wash those clothes from Carter's, they end up shrinking and then we end up purchasing more. Now, thank God, my mom, she gets Mel's clothes as well, and they're always Garanimals. Now, the Garanimals clothes have stretch in them. When you wash them, they're fine, but I don't know, y'all. Carter's, y'all need to get it together. But we're in Mel's room and we're just gonna take a quick look in her closet really quickly. So this is what we're working with now. These are shoes that she was just previously wearing that are going to go over with these shoes. Well, all of the shoes that are over here and here are gonna be placed in this plastic bin here. And then all of the clothes from up here that she can no longer fit, which is gonna be anything that's not, of course, 24 months and Tutti, all of those are going to go in here as well. So don't wanna bore you guys with the process of me taking the clothes out of there or anything, but I'll show you what the finished product looks like. Progress check time, y'all. So hubby is up here now helping with the cleanup and everything, and so far here's how Mel's closet is looking. Let me turn on this extra light for y'all. Hold on. Okay, so basically now all I'm doing is separating Mel's closet. Everything that is, okay, well these are all sleepwear, robe, all that good stuff. And then this right here is going to be everything that's 24 months, and everything in the back is going to be everything that is 2T. And then all of the shoes that she can fit will be right here. We still have things from her last birthday party here in the corner, and shoes up here, and then a Tush Baby that I never used, and then what do you call it, a pamper cake that was made for us for Mel's baby shower. The Tush Baby, I'm gonna hold on to that, and then that pamper cake or diaper cake, I'm gonna hold on to that as well. We also have a camera right here that we never use. Just gonna hold on to those 3 items just in case. You know, you never know if we may need them. But here is the box of all the old things that Mel can no longer fit. Those items in the chair need to be hung up. That's like all her stuff she got for Christmas from Nike. And then here's a box with a bunch of hangers in them. So, this has been a lot. I took a little break and I ate some dinner, but now I am back on the job. And I'll be glad when I get finished with her room, because at this point I am tired of looking at clothes and touching anything that has to do with clothing, y'all. After this, I might work on my office next. I'll see. But y'all stick with me. Please stick with me. Device is just like to tear up. It's like now my little Sony stick, when you press the record button, it's acting like it does not want to record. Don't know what's going on, but that's okay. Anywho's, we're back and I'm gonna close out today's, well, this portion of the vlog for today. We have done a lot of cleaning, a lot of organizing. I'm happy with the way that everything is beginning to look around the house. But we're gonna come back and we're gonna see y'all tomorrow. I don't know if I told y'all, but it's Monday evening, December 27th. So we're gonna come back on the 28th and try this again when someone is not going haywire.